Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a formula in Excel that automatically updates to display today's date. This is perfect for anyone who wants their spreadsheet to always show the current date whenever it's opened. Before we dive in, I'd like to mention that I offer one-on-one demonstrations on screen readers like NVDA and JAWS, as well as other tech topics. If you're interested, all the details are in the bio section of my channel, so feel free to check it out. Now let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. Move to the cell where you want the date to appear. You can navigate using the arrow keys, or you can press the Tab key to move from cell to cell. If you know the exact cell reference, like A3 or B5, you can press Ctrl and G to open the Go To dialog box, then type in the cell reference and press Enter. Once you're in the right cell, press the equals key. This tells Excel that you're about to enter a formula. Now type the word today in all capital letters. After that, open and close parentheses right next to it. It should look like this, equals today followed by open and close parentheses. Finally, press Enter. The current date will now appear in the cell, and every time you open your spreadsheet, it will automatically update to show the correct date. And that's it. A quick and simple tip to keep your spreadsheets up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe to the Knowledge Chest, and share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.